Midjourney is an insanely popular AI-based text-to-image generation program. However, in order to use it, you've got to know how to use Midjourney's Discord. My name is Udullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can use the Midjourney Discord channel.
So as you must be aware by now, in order to use Midjourney, you're going to have to use their Discord channel. It's actually quite simple. All you have to do is click on the sign in button here. This will open a window that will ask you to log in to your Discord account. You can connect whichever account you want to use. And once you've connected your account, you'll see something like this. Now this is the Midjourney default server. You can check out all the rules here. You can join the newbie rooms. Now, if you haven't purchased a subscription yet, you may not have access to the full server, like all of these general channels and all of these voice commands that are for learning and for help. But as far as using Midjourney's Discord channel goes, you use it as usual as you use Discord and as you use any other bot with Discord. If you're joining for free, then you may or may not have access to the imagine command, which is used to generate images in Midjourney. But regardless, if you have taken a subscription, you can go to any of these rooms. So you can go to these general image generation rooms, or you can go to these newbie rooms, or you can even go to your direct messages and talk to Midjourney here and simply type in a command. So imagine, then type in your prompt. So a race car driver going as fast as he can. You can also specify parameters like aspect ratios and styles and things like that. We're going to skip them for now and just press enter. So just like you use any other bot in Discord, you would use the Midjourney bot as well. Just let it start. It'll show you the progress as it goes. So as you can see, it's showing me that it has made 0% progress and is going using the fast method. So we have 15%, it will keep rising slowly and you'll get your 4 images generated here. Once the 4 images have been generated, as you can see, I have these buttons under my older image. Now what these do is that they upscale. So upscale 1, upscale 2, upscale 3, upscale 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then produce variations of the 4 images. And that is what you would use to get a single image out of the 4 image quadrant. And that is how you use Midjourney's Discord.
If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we bring for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.